Meet the brand new Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 11-inch, a powerful, sleek, and family-friendly tablet built for work, play, and everything in between. First, let's talk about the big 11-inch display with a 90 Hz refresh rate. That means smoother scrolling, sharper visuals, and an immersive experience whether you're watching movies, gaming, or just browsing. And with quad speakers powered by Dolby Atoms, you're getting a cinema-like sound experience right in your hands. Whether it's music, shows, or games, the audio is rich, loud, and crystal clear. Powered by an upgraded chipset with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, this tablet can keep up with all your needs. And with microSD support, you'll never run out of space for your photos, videos, and apps. Plus, the multi-window display lets you run multiple apps at once, like a true multitasking pro. Parents, you'll love this. The Samsung Kids app gives your children a safe, fun, and educational space. Entertaining, playful, and secure, so you can have peace of mind while they explore. Despite the power, the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is slim, light, and durable, perfect for carrying anywhere without weighing you down. Sharing is simple with Quick Share. Send photos, videos, or files instantly, whether to an Android or iOS device. And with Smart View, you can cast your tablet screen directly to your Samsung TV. Great for sports, cooking videos, or movie night. Stay connected too. With Galaxy, you can easily pick up calls or reply to messages straight from your tab, even if your phone's in the other room. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, big screen, rich sound, powerful performance, kid-friendly, slim, and durable. It's the ultimate tablet for the whole family.